Welcome to my total awesome scooter check. This is some really nice scooter grips. I have tried them in very long time. They are really handsome and I got 2 labels from them. We have a bar here. It's very nice. It's white. It's a Alice bar, as you can see. No, it's a slam bar. I just took a Alice klistermærke on it. So it looks like a Alice. And here we have a slam clam. It is very nice. Nah, it's fucking dårligt. Og så har vi vores super nice scooter deck. It is so nice. And I love it. It's so nice. What's it? It's so nice. And then we got my total awesome Eagle nice scooter and all that. And my total awesome forgaffel. Yes, yes. Now I'm gonna try it. Look at me.
Jeg kan ikke se dig. Kom til på.
Now is this scooter check over. Bye bye. I hope you like my video.